In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your iPhone never turn off. This is very simple and basic to do. The first thing you want to do in order to make your iPhone screen never go off, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your phone. So once you get to the settings on your phone, this is what you want to do. You want to scroll down and look for where we have display and brightness. You want to tap on display and brightness. So once you tap on display and brightness, it will take you to this page. On this page, you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to where we have auto lock. So once you arrived at the auto lock, you want to tap on that. So once you tap on the auto lock, you can see my iPhone screen auto lock is already set to 3 minutes. But because you don't want to make your screen go off, so you are going to look here and tap on never. So once you change this to never, this means your iPhone screen will never go off. So until you turn it off yourself. So guys, this is how you can actually make your iPhone screen not to go off. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.